How to input crypto gain and loss into TurboTax Premier software. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to gather your crypto tax information, then launch the TurboTax Premier software, log into your account. Now begin or continue your tax return, then navigate to Income and Expenses section. Here, you want to click on Investments and Savings option. As you can see, crypto is included here. So go ahead and click on Add/Edit option over here. Now, it will ask you some questions here. Make sure to answer them. When prompted, select cryptocurrency as the investment type. Now you can import or manually enter crypto data. TurboTax Premier allows you to either import data from supported exchanges or manually enter the transaction. If you want to import data, choose your crypto exchange such as Robinhood, Coinbase, Binance from the list. Then log into your exchange account through TurboTax or upload a CSV file directly. You can also enter the details manually. After that is done, review your data. Now confirm the offsets or deductions. After all of that is completed, you can file your tax return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.